Now, today I will be teaching you session 3 of Unit 5. Session 3 is dealing with the topic working with table. How we can add table in PowerPoint. We can add table in PowerPoint using two ways. One through insert tab and second through title and content option of slide layout. So presentation software enable the user to add table in the slide in order to represent the statistical data meaningfully. Here we will be learning inserting table in these two ways. What you have to do? Insert tab, table group, then the table. It would be asking you specify number of row and column, or in the instant table you specify the row and column, or you draw yourself. You can also insert Excel spreadsheet if you want things to be calculated automatically. There is another option, use the slide layout, title and content. Now let us see. First I am creating the presentation, new black one. Okay, here I want click remove it, also remove it. I want table here. Insert tab, table group, add the table. I am drawing. Second option, insert table, specify row and column. Okay, or if you wish you can draw it. Insert table, draw table. See the design, you can specify, see the layout, you can also specify how you want. Insert above, then you can split it, number of column, number of row, and the way you want you can do it. If you want to insert the Excel spreadsheet and do calculation, you can also do it. Let us add a new slide, blank one, this one. Insert table, Excel spreadsheet. Write the data first if you want the calculated one. Name, marks, name is Raj, marks 90, Shyam, marks 67. I want total here. Do total or average, whichever you want, average. Enter, press enter. Click outside. See, your data is there. Okay. Now you can add the table if you have a slide which has layout as title and content. Click it. See, insert table, double click it. It is asking for number of row and number of column. Number of column suppose 4 and number of row suppose 5. Add the data. After adding the table, you can change the look also through the design tab. Once you select the table, design tab comes. Select the look whichever you want. Whichever. Okay. You specify table style option for total row, for first column, for last column, everywhere. You can apply whatever look you want. Okay. Thanks for watching.